Hey guys, welcome to our channel Lakshmi's Information Technologies. Today topic is HTML editor in ASP.NET. Let's get started. Create create a new project. Click on File, Open menu, and new website. ASP.NET empty website. Click on OK. You can browse here your um, folder. Okay, click on OK. It will be created. Empty project is created. Simply right click on this, add new item. Name is default.axpx. I'm not changing any name here. Okay, simply click on add. Now a form is created. Add one more folder, that is ASP.NET predefined folders, that is bin, and simply right click on this, add references. First you need to download DLLs of HTML editor. Okay, click on add references. If you need, in my description I will give you. Click on free textbox.dll. Click on this and click on OK. DLLs are added to our application. Now coming to the application, here add references of DLL. Simply write percentage assembly, register assembly equal to free text box, namespace equal to free text box, controls, tag prefixes. I'm giving FTV. You can give another name also. Simply write it and add free text box control. I already added here of my controls. Simply drag the control. This is our free text box. You can add controls toolbar. Simply right click, choose item, and click on browse. Just wait. Click on browse and select DLL file. Click on open. Then tools are added to our application. Simply tick on free text box control. Here is our free text box. It's already added. So when you are first time, you have to add it here. Click on simply OK. Click on OK. Click on free text box. Click on OK. Now control is added. This is our free text box control. Now simply this is our free text box control. You can add toolbar layouts like paragraph, font, face menu. You can mention your own controls on the term free text box. I will show you after complete this. This is our free text box. If you no need to change free text box, means whatever controls is there, you can use those. No need to mention a particular toolbar layouts. Okay, simply I'm writing one text box. One button, ASP button. Okay, button is save. One is on label, means whatever data you are entered in the free text box, that will be showing on your label. Okay, a text no need. Write id equal to ig equal to text txt ftb text. This is my id, and we need to write one more id to a button. Write id equal to beach and save. You can add validator from here. On client click equal to, you can write javascript from here. On click equal to server. On click we have to write from cs file. Okay, now our design is completed. Now we have to write validations. Simply click on here and write script tag, create a function, that is function name is validate ftb, just to give validate. Okay, now write the logic. If text box is get the ig, that is where goc variable equal to find document dot get element by ig, and simply semicolon and write id name. You can directly give ftb1 dot ftb1, or else if you are using any master phrase or anything, you can simply write um, dynamic id, means less than and percentage equal to your id dot client id, close percentage and the right arrow. Now here Document dot value dot length equal to 0 means if string is empty, simply write alert message means please enter data in rich text box. I'm writing here alert of single close tag and write please enter data in rich text box. Rich text box. Return false. Else if ftb underscore API of not equal to null, then write the condition as var html equal to ftb underscore API of single quotes, and you can give directly free text box, or else you can give less than percentage equal to id dot client id means it will get dynamic bind id dot client id percentage less than, okay, and with dot get alert. Simply write html close, and coming to code here, simply validate. Okay, coming to default.axpx, this is our file and this is the label you are displaying. Click on write dot text equal to free text box 1 dot text dot text. Now code part is completed. Now simply run this application. You will get one um, you will get one error, that is potentially some error is coming. This is the browser compatibility issue, so no need to worry about this. Simply click on compatibility view settings, add and close. Okay, this is our HTML editor is coming. Now simply you have to write some text, whichever you need. You have to write and set color. Great. Yes, you can need to bold this or italic, underline or cross the text, whatever you need. Simply select this and click on save. Object does not support. Okay, no, it's okay. Here it's getting potentially dangerous request form to detect the client. So we need to write 2 lines in web config. Simply click on here and write paste request. Pages validate request. Runtime framework 4.6. Simply write request validation 2. Request request validation mode equal to 2.2. Now our application is completed. Again run this application. Now you need to add this page validation request and request validation mode 2.0 and add free text box controls assembly. If you get any server error message, you can write this, or else no need to write this, and simply run this application. This is our application. We have to write colors, bold, italic, underline, left, center alignment. Click on save. This is the alert box we are already given in JavaScript. Click on OK. This is our output. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe our channel. If you want to know my latest updates, please subscribe.